Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Fashion Upward. In today's video, I'm going to be showing a quick tutorial on how you can pull together your hair really quick if you're rushing out of the door with cute scarves that you already have laying around your home. So if it's something that you are interested in, please just keep watching. Okay, so let's get into this beautiful scarf that I received from H&M, and then also that scarf is from Aldo. So I am just brushing my hair. As you can see, the wig is already attached. Everything is down in the description box about this wig. I absolutely love this wig as well. If you want me to do like a full little tutorial or whatever about the particular wig, just leave your comments and let me know, but I will leave the descriptions down below. So what I'm showing you is just again, let me see, I think, yes, so H&M, but this is H&M China. I purchased it when I lived in Guangzhou, and so, but you can get a leopard scarf from anywhere. So it's so pretty is what I was saying. I absolutely love it. It was actually my first time just wearing it, and I thought I'd just show you. So I'm folding it once over. So you're just going to take it and just fold it once, and then I am folding it again. And then I fold it over one more time, but fold it however you wish. That is completely up to you. And then I am just going to place it right at the top of my head. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to conceal the clip where you could kind of see where it is a wig. I want to conceal that. So I'm just trying to tie it in the back, and I'm just kind of showing you how I tie it. I just went ahead and tied it once, just by going around, and then I think I tied it one more time off camera. I did tie it one more time, and then that tag ended up falling off anyway. So yes, it is secure, it is not too tight, and I think it's very stylish, very simple go-to if you're trying to conceal it. Now let's move on to look number 2. And this scarf is much longer, so you could kind of be more creative with what kind of look you want to do. But what I'm going to do is just fold it like a triangle. So think of like a little tortilla chip. So take your tortilla chip, fold it down just like this. Make sure that all of the corners meet up, and then I'm going to take it and place it just around my head. So I'm bending my head, just leaning over slightly, placing the scarf kind of like a little bit, maybe like at the nape, or at the nape probably of my head. And then you can see I'm just adjusting it to how I want it to be styled. And then you're going to twist, and loop. And I'm showing you right here where I just take a little bit and just loop it around. Of course, I'm just kind of like doing this really quick and easy, so it's not the best. It's not one of my best wraps, but you get the point. You get the gist of what kind of knot I was trying to accomplish. And so many just things that you could do. I could do like a full out video, a tutorial on just working with different fabrics, but this is just how to tie like just a regular scarf or a fashion scarf. So here I am just taking a little piece, and gradually you have to just kind of like adjust it to whatever style you're trying to accomplish. So I have to go back in and just kind of twist it a little bit tighter so that it could stay. So you want to try to create like a little bit of like a knot, and then so you could go under like the little nook area, and then you want to secure it in the back, so you could kind of adjust it just a little bit. Now I like it sometime all the way up like the first look, or I like it just with a lot hanging down. It just depends on what kind of, where I'm going and what style I'm going for that day. So this is just kind of like a little gypsy kind of, not too polished, but just a cute accessory. So yes, it's tucked in the back, and I am topping the look off with my big hoops. I think this look looks so good if you have like oversized hoops, and these are gold hoops from Beeline. So there you go, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all be easy. Peace.